everyone. We'll be starting, or rather, we'll be continuing our series about vectors. So the topics we're going to deal with today is addition of vectors. There are two ways of dealing with addition of vectors, which are graphical and mathematical. Subtraction of vectors. To addition of vectors, say you have vector A and vector B. Now what you need to make sure when it comes to addition is you need to make sure that the initial point of the second vector lies on top of the arrowhead of the first vector. Yes, and this is what you call addition of vectors, graphically at least. Now I'll come to the physics part of it. Now the resulting vector starts from the starting point of the first vector and the arrowhead of the second vector. That's your A plus B vector. Now notice I haven't drawn the arrowhead of the resultant vector. Remember that the arrowhead of the resultant vector is not on the initial point. It lies near the terminal point. So remember this. A clue would be basically this is where you started. You go this way and you add the second vector. So your final position is there. So essentially you have moved there. So the vector that denotes that is a vector that's pointing there. So that's A plus B vector. Hope that made some sense to you. Now coming to subtraction of vectors, this is A vector and this is, let's take the same example, this is B vector. Now when it comes to subtraction, it's easier if you make it addition of two vectors by simply changing the direction. Say the question is A vector minus B vector. Convert this into A vector plus minus B vector. If you can understand this portion of it, it's very simple. This is A vector and this is minus B vector. So addition part of it is understood. So A vector minus B vector, and this is your final vector, A vector minus B vector. So yeah, that's A minus B vector, and thank you. Keep studying.